Swede with Hydrochem Systems out of Caledonia, Michigan. That's right by Grand Rapids, Michigan. We have another couple of our Platinum Plus trash bin cleaning system and commercial pressure washing packages. These have our top of the line, pretty much the industry top of the line. 3,500 PSI at 9 gallon a minute, 31 horsepower, 896 cc, big block engine, powered power washer. It's a high efficiency, high output hot water pressure cleaner, which powers our cleaning heads in this case, and also we have additional inlet and high pressure hose reel with an extra 200 foot of high pressure hose on these trailers, on both of them. You can actually do commercial pressure cleaning, dumpsters, compactors, concrete, common area, etc. When it comes to being able to do a multitude of different cleaning activities with these. So you're not just limited to cleaning trash bins. So it allows you to bring in a lot of revenue stream while you're building up the business. It is a new industry, catching on like crazy across the nation. But also it does take sometimes a little time to get all your ducks in order. I mean, this type of equipment has been approved for cleaning retailers like Walmart, Target, Home Depot, Lowe's, Walgreens, etc., Myers, that kind of stores, and they have the ability to do a lot more than just trash bin cleaning service. Although most people, once they get a primary route going and the bins up and running, that's the quickest, normally, and fastest way to make revenue on this. But other people will keep the other retail and commercial and residential work because it's so quick. I mean, I have videos that show these commercial pressure cleaning systems and car cleaners cleaning trash bins in under 10 seconds. Really filthy, nasty bin that we pulled out of a waste type management company's yard. When the average cleaning time on really extremely caked on filthy bins are 30 seconds, not 30 minutes like other systems can take up to. 30 seconds, so astronomical cleaning speed on those. On the same token, we have videos and information that I can send you links to, and you can watch them, where the same kind of power washer with one of our 48-inch high-speed concrete cleaners cleaned a 1,500 square foot paver driveway in 7 minutes flat. That kind of driveway is normally $250 to $450 driveway that was power washed in under 10 minutes. So this is, like I said, a multitask opportunity. You can build both businesses. We've had contractors come back and buy second systems and focus on both industries. So, you know, give me a call at 616-531-6420. Email me or us at sales@hcsclean.com, sales@hcsclean.com. And you can go to hydrochemsystems.com. I'll give you a quick little look. We do custom colors, so typically this is like a safety lime green color. This is kind of a safety red or flame red, one of the two. We have other red shades like carnival red, a lot of blue trailers. Yes, a bunch of units in stock right now. These are the 3,500 PSI 9-gallon hot water machines, 15-stage wastewater recovery and filtration system, dual tanks, one supply, one recovery, that actually can be combined together to make a 540-gallon supply tank. The filtration system can filter the wastewater up to 100 feet away from the trailer. We also make truck-mounted versions. And just to give you a sneak peek here, it'll be kind of quick, long video already. We also do custom pressure washing trailers, fleet washing trailer package, and truck mounted versions. We have some unbelievable trailer packages coming out for fleet and commercial cleaning. Here's the additional inventory we have right now available. Some of these are already sold and going out the door. but there is stock, there's inventory and available. That's been our best-selling color right there, the dark blue. But there is a single bin cleaner at the end. There's 5 dual bin cleaners, which are called our Platinum Plus. The one on the end is a gold package. And so give us a call. I gave you the contact information. I'll give it to you again. It's 616-531-6420. Sales at hesclean.com. hydrochemsystems.com. Thank you again.